Imagine waking up in mid-2025 to find your entire SEO strategy obliterated by a new AI mode search experience. Your blog traffic is gone and nobody is clicking your links because Google's AI is answering questions directly. If that sounds terrifying, stick around. In the next few minutes, I show you exactly what is changing and how to turn these same AI tools into your biggest marketing advantage. Google is rolling out AI mode across every search query, from best marketing tools to how do I fix my SEO in 2025. Instead of sending users to your blog post, AI mode spits out complete answers right there. No click needed. If you have built your business on organic traffic, this is a wake-up call. The old ways of ranking are dying. In May 2025 alone, several beta testers reported up to a 45% drop in sessions for informational queries. Nearly half their audience vanished overnight. That means carefully crafted long-form posts optimized for years are simply being bypassed as the AI mode delivers answers directly on the SAR. Imagine pouring weeks into a blog article only to watch it disappear beneath an AI response card. Even worse, no amount of paid ads can rebuild the credibility you lose when users never click through to your site. Suddenly, authority and trust dissolve, leaving businesses scrambling to relocate budgets and rethink content strategy fast. So what can you do? How do you survive when Google has effectively become a competitor delivering answers itself? Let's break down the exact tools Google's using, and then I show you how to make them your secret weapons. First, we dissect the new AI mode search experience so you know exactly what users are seeing. Next, we dive into Gemini Pro's advanced capabilities because understanding its brain is key to outranking it. Finally, we'll cover V3 video generation and agent mode automation. These aren't just fancy demos, they are the very tools you use to reclaim your traffic and free up hours of work every week. By the end, you have a rock-solid strategy to future-proof your marketing in the AI era. AI mode is Google's new default for most informational queries. Instead of showing a list of links, you see a dynamic card, an AI chat interface that aggregates data from multiple sources, your blog included, and delivers a direct answer, complete with examples, visuals, and even short videos. Here is the raw. Users no longer need to click through to get raw information. Google is effectively becoming the gatekeeper and the answer source. You carefully optimize meta tags, H1s, and long-term blog posts get skimmed for data, but the AI card is what people see, and that often has zero backlink incentive. So, if Google's AI is answering everything, how do you show up? Answer: you need to understand exactly how Gemini Pro powers that AI mode. Let's jump into Gemini Pro advanced capabilities. Gemini Pro is Google's most powerful AI model as of mid-2025, trained on trillions of data points, from text to images to structured data. Is the engine that powers AI mode's understanding of user intent, context, and nuance. Unlike early AI, Gemini Pro can parse video transcripts, cross-reference user reviews, and detect schema markup to stitch together a comprehensive answer. That is why in AI mode, you see multimedia snippets, carousels of videos, and file pulls. Even if your site isn't ranking number one traditionally, Gemini Pro's advanced reasoning is effectively reordering the web by relevance, trust, and recents all automatically. What this means for you is critical. If Gemini Pro deems your content less authoritative, outdated, or poorly structured, it simply won't serve it in an AI mode. You have got one shot to prove credibility, and relying on traditional blog SEO alone won't cut it anymore. Instead, shift towards content that Gemini Pro understands and prioritizes, namely short-form videos that answer user queries directly, structured data snippets like FAQ schema that AI can pass instantly, and a steady stream of 5-star reviews that signal trust. When Gemini sees these signals, fresh video embeds, properly marked up answers, and glowing customer feedback is far more likely to rank you. So start thinking like AI's content curators. Invest in bite-sized authoritative videos, leverage structured markup on every page, and build a review portfolio that can't be ignored. That is how you begin influencing Gemini Pro's ranking signals and reclaim your slice of search traffic. Google's V3 video generation is a quantum leap. You feed it a script outline like SEO for AI bold, 3-point plan to rank, and V3 splits out a polished video with background music, transitions, and even simple voiceovers. That means you can produce high-quality video content in minutes rather than days. Use V3 to churn out your core videos, intro explainers, auto tutorials, quick news updates about Google AI changes, and then embed or link them from your website. Gemini Pro love video embed, so your chances of getting put out an AI card go away up. Now, meet Agent Mode, Google's way of letting you automate repetitive tasks without coding. For example, you can set an SEO repetition agent that scans for new Google's reviews or Yelp reviews, draft personalized replies, and even flags any negative review for manual follow-up. That way, you keep your 5-star rating high, a critical trust signal for Gemini Pro without lifting a finger daily. Beyond review management, you can create a custom outreach agent that continuously scans Reddit, Quora, and irrelevant forums for questions like how do I fix SEO in 2025? It then drafts a thoughtful response, linking to your YouTube video or FAQ page, and even schedules follow-up comments. Meanwhile, the smart reply agent in Gmail taps into your past emails and Google's Drive FAQ documents, generating replies that sound exactly like you in seconds. You could also deploy an ad performance agent that analyzes your V3 ads, click-through, and automatically suggests headline tweaks each week. Or set up a social proof agent to pull in new 5-star reviews from Google My Business and post them on social updates. Bottom line, this AI agent automates consuming tasks, freeing you up to focus on creating high-value videos and structured content that Gemini Pro will prioritize. Let's recap with a fast checklist you can implement right now. 1. Optimize for AI mode search. Add video chapters makers, structure FAQ markup, and brief paragraph summaries in your blog. 2. Leverage Gemini Pro's trust signals. Build a network of 5-star reviews and embed customer testimonial and keep your content fresh. AI loves recency. 3. Use V3 supercharged video production. Generate short, authoritative explainers and case studies that answer high-volume queries. 4. Deploy agent mode automation. Automate your review responses, client outreach, and email draft so you can scale without burning out. If you want our free AI era SEO and content checklist, hit subscribe, tap the bell, and click the link in the description. In our next video, we'll show you exactly how to use Google's new video scenes API in V3 to create hyper-targeted ads for your YouTube channel. Don't get left behind. Start implementing these AI strategies today and dominate Google new AI in 2025. I'm Richard, and it's AutiMark.